Welcome everyone. In this video, we will learn how to import and export the tags in SmartComm PMS. To export the tag, navigate to the application and then select Tag Editor. This will open the Tag Editor window. Click on Export and then select Tag Database. Enter a file name and select the required tags by checking the appropriate boxes. Choose the green-colored Export Excel option, then click on Close. Follow the path where the file is exported, which will be something like Runtime LTDB Configurator, and then open the Excel sheet. Make a copy of the Excel file and rename it as needed. Now, open the Excel sheet. Change the object type name. Create tags and mention its data type. Specify the object name to create an object, under which the above-mentioned tags will be included. Similarly, you can add multiple objects, each containing the same set of tags. Save the Excel file. Now, navigate to IDE window. To import the tags, go to Application and select Tag Editor. In the Tag Editor, select Import and then choose Tag Database. Click on three dots, select the edited Excel file, and then click on Open. Click on green-colored Excel icon to import the file, click on OK. Once you open the Tag Editor window again, you should see the created tags listed under User Tags. The tag has been created successfully.
Thank you for watching.